Welcome back to the vlog. So hey friends, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're just chilling, not doing much, but anything I get up to I'll show you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tell a friend to tell a friend about the Blackwood family. I'm actually at the auto shop. Babe went inside to check on something, so I'm sitting out here waiting. I'm sitting waiting on him to get back so that we can go. Some road work is being done right here. Yeah, and you can see the place is very hot. Yeah, so guys, always it's the beginning of a new year. How has it been for you guys? Do you guys set goals, like stuff that you want to accomplish for the month or every 3 months for the year? Yeah, like let me know how it's been for you guys and stuff like that. And let's encourage someone. Any chance that we get, we definitely can do that. Give someone a hug. You know, sometimes someone is feeling down, but just a little hug, you change that person's entire day. Like, you just, maybe they was feeling, I don't know, some type of way, like, but just a little hug, maybe, made their day a whole lot better. I have school gets out early today, so when I'm going to pick up tea, I'll definitely take you guys with me so we can see that. And anything else that I get up to, you guys will see once it's worth showing. Struggles. I am here, but as usual, no parking, so I park all the way down one part and I have to go walk all the way, so I'm gonna get to that.
Baby Abby, I know I didn't bring her to school. I told my mom.
Okay, so Bill's about to service the car, so let's see what I can identify from the stuff that he got. Okay. Oops. So we have oil. Of course. Spark plugs. Oil filter, and air filter. It's marked. Oh yes, air filter. Tell them what you're gonna do.
Oh, you know, cost
Nice.
effectively servicing the car myself. Something I've been doing for years, many years. Yeah, basically changing the oil, air filter, oil filter, and the spark plugs. Anything else? What else you need to know?
I don't know. You are running show. How often?
I ain't running no show.
How often you do this?
Every 3 months.
Okay, so you
Every
can
3 months.
and you can stay go like 4 months now.
Yeah, you can go beyond that, but for me, I try to do it every 3 months. This car, the odometer is now saying 190,000 kilo. How am I talking? You distracted doing other stuff. What you doing? Yeah, you are. So I'm talking you where you just stamp and march and kind of
Something not bite me.
Take the bite. Alright, yeah, so right, so for better longevity, the performance of the engine, try to do the servicing at least every 3 months. You know?
Alright.
Yeah, some people can go more than that, but for me, this is what I do.
Okay, so we'll show you guys
Yeah.
as we go along. I'll show you guys. Where you pulling on, babe? What you gonna pull on?
We just say open the oil cap a while ago.
Alright, so first things first.
Draining the oil.
After gaining ground clearance, he's gonna drain the oil.
No gloves, huh? No gloves, making a mess. Give me the cloth.
You're a professional, you've done this so much time.
Yeah, made a mess. As usual.
But at least.
I think this is the longest oil has ever been in the car. What, almost 4 months?
Some people have oil in a den car longer than that. So, see that?
Come up from one of the cars.
I love cups.
What, see magic?
I love cups.
Ready for me?
Yes. You never hear me say, look how much curry goat.
Filter.
Ooh.
So it's just a trick to use this to remove the filter as to not have a spill from the filter.
Magic.
Life hack.
Can't just let go it in a wall.
No. Is that good? That's
Malik. Wait, don't say a while ago.
No, I'm saying when I'm throwing the 4th bottle, I don't empty it. I just throw maybe like a half. And then when the car is then level, then I start to check.
Then you throw the rest.
Yeah, check the oil level and apply the rest if necessary.
You recharge $5,000.
Because remember the dipstick have a level. It's supposed to
Out here full full of sandfly. I
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh. You took out that one there already? Let me see me now, babe. It's okay in front of me. Weird. Clean. Yes, I don't want to change.
Crazy.
Not clean.
This clean? Like, compared to when I say Asian changes.
Yeah, or black.
But when you see this, then you realize, oh, it's not clean. See? See the difference?
Yeah.
It's not bad, extremely bad. Because I don't wait for it to be extremely bad.
I'm making a quick meal, just dumplings. I'm gonna show you that, and salt mackerel. I haven't had that in forever, so we're gonna make some of that. Hi, say hi, girl. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, friends. She's hungry. She can't wait for her dinner. We have some ackee here, straight from the tree. Todd's gonna pick them out. Salt mackerel here, I already boiled it, and I'm going to clean it. I'm gonna scrape all this black stuff off and take the bones out. And then dumpling right here. This coming like is a dream, eh? All of this coming like is a dream. 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 Get a youth one wanna be my life did bitter like vinegar. Me and some boy no grow similar. Now do what some boy do for you cellular.